Hi there, I'm Taylor with Waveband Communications, and today I'll be unboxing our Bluetooth speaker microphone. Right off the bat here, it's pretty compact, so it fits perfectly in my hand here. Just going over some specifications, this microphone is IP56 water and dust resistant, has 40 hours of talk time, and an operating range of 10 meters or 32 feet. Here on the top is your power button and volume control. Turning that to the right will turn on the speaker mic. And you'll hear that tone there letting you know that it's on, as well as this blue blinking light here. In the middle, this is your pairing button, so you'll use this to pair the speaker microphone to your adapter, which I'll show you here in a minute. This also comes with a 3.5 millimeter port that you can use to plug in a listen-only earpiece. I have one here to show you. This plugs in right here, and any radio transmissions will now be going to my earpiece. On the side here is your push-to-talk button, and on the back is your alligator clip to clip on your shoulder or your uniform. Because it's wireless, it will come with a USB charger here that you'll plug into the bottom of the speaker microphone. Charging doesn't take long, probably about 2 to 3 hours to recharge fully. Moving on, here is the adapter that comes with our speaker microphone. This one is for the Apex and XPR series. I'm using it on an XPR radio. So you'll screw it onto the side here, and this button up top is your pairing button, which pairs the speaker microphone to your radio using the adapter. I'll go ahead and link a video above, and it just shows you the steps to pairing these two together. And that's it for the unboxing of our Bluetooth speaker microphone. If you have any further questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below or give our office a call. Thanks for watching.